The problem is the armhole is too big and she wants the neck to be slightly smaller. Now this is the tunic top. I don't have, this is a ready-made piece and I don't have any more fabric. I cut it from the bottom. I take it about 3 inch from bottom. So I cut the bottom 3 inch, and there are two methods. One, either add the frill sleeves or make proper cape sleeves or short sleeves and add to the armhole. Keeping the dress on the fabric, cut both the sleeves. Just give it a little shape. And here we got two sleeves. Give a slight curve about ½ inch inside. That will go till the middle of the front sleeve and cut it. There is not much effort. You can make these sleeves quickly and add the sleeves easily. So I show you a super quick way to finish the sleeves and add them to the armhole. See, add the sleeve from the bottom, stitch all around the sleeve round, armhole round, and this small piece we can use to short our neckline this way. So starting from the armhole joint, move the sleeve all around the armhole and starting from the bottom of the sleeve, stitch all around it. I'm using Usha Janam Stitch Magic, and the armrest can be removed from this machine, so it is easier to stitch on the sleeve round. But even if you have any other sewing machine, then also you can stitch the armhole and add the sleeve easily. Using the same method, we'll add both the sleeves. And here we got our sleeve, short sleeves ready. See, this is very easy method that you can adopt. Second thing, we will short the bigger neckline. So here we have about 6 inch by 2 inch long fabric left from the bottom. So stitch it from two sides. One is that bottom folded side and one is folded side. So anyway, we got three sides closed. Turn it like a bag and close the open side. Now use this bag, place it under the neckline, use the awl pins, fix the piece with the neckline firmly so that it doesn't move at the time of stitching. I'm using zipper foot because my neckline of this dress is having little beads and a normal foot will not be able to stitch properly. So I'm using a zipper foot or a piping foot, and this way stitch around this neckline. place the roll hem foot or picot foot. Just fold it slightly, and then in the loop of the footer, this rolled hem foot, insert the fabric and it will roll on its own. The stitch is on zigzag and stitch length on 3, stitch width on 5. This way we have beautifully altered our dress, added the sleeves, shortened the deep neck, and also hemmed the bottoms. I hope you like the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and do like the video. Share the video with the people who need it the most. Thank you so much.